So in this video, we're going to do an unboxing of the Ruko U11 GPS drone with camera, 4K UDH FPV quadcopter drone for adults with auto return home, follow me, tap fly, 20 minutes fly time, easy to use for beginners with 2 batteries and a carrying case in the color black. So right off the bat, we get a bunch of different instructions on the inside of the box, along with the Roku card, which you can scan this QR code right here to download the app for your phone to control the drone. One thing about Roku drones is they always come with very detailed instructions that are easy to understand for beginners. And the U11 user manual, it's pretty filled with a lot of information, a lot of great information. I suggest before flying the drone, carefully read the user manual and become familiar with the user manual. One thing I have to say about Roku drones is they always come in with some really nice cases. Like, this feels like a pretty solid, high quality case. Most drones that you buy do not come with any case, and then you have to spend $20–30 on an aftermarket case, but this one comes with a neat little case. The remote control comes with this cool little printout, so you can figure out what you're doing with the control. It tells you what all the buttons do. Now this control is pretty lightweight and feels nice, sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break. And this little plastic right here, this is the phone holder, and you clip it onto the remote control. So you do have to put it on and take it off whenever you put the controller back in the case. We're gonna test it out with my very large Galaxy S9 Plus inside of a case, and it fits pretty sturdy in there, and it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall out. By pressing the little button, you can release the phone holder. So we're just gonna put the control aside for now. By the way, the control charges via USB-C cable. And here we have the battery. And the battery is a 7.4 volt, 1200 milliamp hour battery. It's supposed to have up to a 20-minute flight time. I'm not going to open this up, but by taking a look at it, it is a Phillips screwdriver with some small screws. These are for the propellers in case you have to replace them. I thought this was very nice. Usually when you get a drone, you're lucky if you get one USB connector, and this one comes with 3 USB-C connectors. Also, you get a set of extra propellers in case you need to replace them. They're all marked A and B, so you know which ones go where. And this is the Ruko U11 drone. You have to start with the back legs in order to open it up. If you do the front legs first, you won't be able to open up the legs. Now up front where the camera is, it has little rubber grommets on there holding it, so it can move around sort of in the way of a gimbal. This is very important. When you take out the battery, make sure you take out this little piece of foam so the battery will make contact with the drone. As you can see, it has underneath lights, 2 red lights in the front on the front arms. Please make sure you take off the sticker off the camera lens. It also has a green light in the back. But overall, the drone feels pretty sturdy. And to fold up the drone, you have to start with the back legs folded up first, then the front legs. So I'm gonna put a new SanDisk 32GB Extreme Pro micro SD card in it. And the SD card goes on the bottom of the drone. So once you place it in, you feel the spring load. And we're gonna weigh this drone with the battery. And it's 275.2 grams. And here's a quick look at the drone taking off. On this day, the wind conditions were very high in South Florida. We had 17-mile-per-hour winds with 26-mile-per-hour gusts, so I really couldn't get any decent video on this day. I will do a full review on this drone with more video, so you can see the video quality. But as far as even in these conditions, the drone felt pretty strong. The motors are pretty strong and it held its own, even though it's a smaller drone. Some of the quick features of this drone: the drone has return to home, tap fly, it has a follow me mode, it does the 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission, it has GPS hold, 1-button takeoff and landing, point of interest, comes with a very nice carrying case, and it is a very compact drone. The specifications are charging time 2.5 hours, flight time 18 to 20 minutes, weight 270 grams, photo resolution is 380 by 2160p, video resolution is 2048 by 1152p, the controller range is 150 to 300 meters, the max live video range is also 150 to 300 meters. The max supported micro SD card I could use is a 32GB, which is not included. Note, this drone is small enough that you can basically carry it in your pocket, as shown here. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're interested in the Ruko U11 GPS drone, the link is in the description below. Johnny Bravo out.